Faculty of Account. Let's go, guys!
Seminar room and lecture room were used as a lecture for one class because the class size only can provide less than 50 students. Discussion room. This room was used for meetings because of the table and the chair position. Students can discuss in this room if they have any meeting. Room Center of Excellence. When we enter this room, we need to register ourselves first before using it. Simulation Lab. The table and the chair forming a circle. This is made easier for a student to discuss study material in a group. Luckily, each faculty sells food and mineral water for a student who didn't have enough time to take a breakfast.
Faculty of Applied Science is distributed into two blocks, which is Block A and Block B. Let's go!
Faculty of Applied Science is the only faculty that have language lab. Discussion room. The functions of this room is basically the same as the other faculty, but the design of this room a bit different. Next, the main thing in Applied Science faculty is laboratory. Before you enter the lab, there are 16 lab rules to understand and obey to avoid any accidents. Lab coat must be worn when inside and doing experiments. Physics labs is divided into 7 different labs. Next is biology lab. Last but not least is chemistry lab. Everyone knows that chemistry labs contain a wide variety of dangerous chemicals.
This is a faculty of Computer Science and Mathematics. Apple Mac Lab, which have capacity less than 15 students can fit in. Next, we have Basic Computer Lab, which have same capacity with Apple Mac, which is less than 15 students can fit in. The computer that provide in this lab also less than 15 computers. In the lecture room, we have 40 study chairs and desks, and we use transparent glass as a whiteboard. There is a map and the side view of Faculty Computer Science and Mathematics. This faculty only have one block. Other than that, this faculty provide prayer room, toilets for women and men, and disabled toilet.
There were 6 halls in UITM campus Tapah. First is auditorium. This was located at Zeta building. Zeta is the oldest building and has auditorium that can hold until 250 people at one time, used for normal lecture and during orientation week. Dewan Kuliah, DK, or in English, lecture hall. There were 4 different lecture halls. The number in the name represents how many people can be in the hall at one time. There were toilets provided at each hall building. Facilities such as microphone and projector also provided. Greenhouse. During Minggu Destiny Siswa MDS, the orientation week, greenhouse was used for students to gather. Other than that, greenhouse also was used for examination purpose.
Lecturer office is located at Administrative Plaza, which have 3 blocks. Second floor of lecturer office, block A, there is a punching card to enter the office and a box for students to put their assignment. Lecturer office, block A. The block is half as small than the other block and have 3 floors. The plan of every floor for each block was provided. Next is lecturer office block B. The block has 3 floors, but only 2 floors were used for lecturer. Each floor provides toilet and pantry for lecturer to use and have a rest. While block C only have 2 floors, these 2 blocks have derived into 2 sides, which is left and right.
Summary and overview.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Ya Allah.
Tengok tu ada next kemaran.
Silap. Salah Lari, mana? Lari cepat.
Negaraku.